Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, everyone. Welcome back again to our weekend talk. And this time, we in the weekend talk, we have the one speaker for this material, and this explanation will be given to our speaker. That is Father Abdul Hakim Arnazi. Okay, so let's go to the our weekend talk. And Father, uh, time is yours.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. In this occasion, I will make some IT tutorial for configuration, how to configuration InterVLAN and SVI or switch virtual interface. Okay, we're going to Cisco packet tracer. Okay, first I want to configure make tutorial for how to configuration InterVLAN in Cisco packet tracer. Uh, I'll already make some topology. It is simple topology for make some configuration. Okay, here I have one router and two switch for config interVLAN and for the PC it's connecting to the edge of switch. Okay, first we will config VLAN first from the switch one. Okay, and open the CLI. Oh, sorry guys, I forget to share the screen. Okay, show this. Okay, from hey, how the slide. Wait. Stop screen. Share screen. Entire screen. Okay. Okay, now you can see I have topology here for configure InterVLAN. It's just simple topology. I have one router and two switch, and to the other is PC. Okay, we will configure the first switch for this the one. Open the CLI like usual and enable to privilege mode, and don't forget to uh, configure to udah already. Stop sharing. Okay, we continue to our configuration. Upon your CLI in switch 3, actually is switch one, the first switch. Okay, make the VLAN inside the configuration for VLAN 10 first, and uh, next for VLAN 20. Okay, we already make VLAN, and then the next step is uh, entering the interface to the each VLAN. Okay, the first uh, I want to enter the VLAN to the interface fast Ethernet O/2. Okay, switch mode access and switch access for to VLAN 10. And next, don't forget to enter spanning tree for uh, making making fast the configuration. And then I want to enter to fast Ethernet O/3, and then switch mode access and switch access VLAN 20, and don't forget to config spanning tree port pass. Okay. Next, uh, for the next step is make a switch modded trunk to Ethernet, or connecting to the switch 2. So the interface is the fast Ethernet O/1. You just enter the interface fast Ethernet 1, and then switch model trunk, and then don't forget to configure spanning tree port pass. Okay, exit. And okay, we're going to the next step. We want to configure switch to. Okay, uh, open the configuration mode, and then make VLAN inside the switch, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and then we are enter the interface O/1 for accessing the VLAN. So switch access VLAN 10, and don't forget for configure spanning tree port paths. And then next is enter to interface O/5. Okay, and then switch mode access, configure switch mode access, and configure switch access VLAN 20. Okay, VLAN 20. Okay, and don't forget to configure 23 port pass. Okay, and like visual, we don't forget for make switch mode trunk to into interface who connecting to that connect to router. So in this interface we have interface fast Ethernet slice 3 that connecting to the router. Okay, and configure switch mode trunk. Okay, so what's next? The next step is configure our router. Okay, to make a sub interface for the VLAN. Okay, we should we should make the interface sub interface for the VLAN like this. Okay, is the sub interface uh, like this, and then you should make IP address for the sub interface of VLAN. So I will what the function of the sub interface the VLAN. The function of the sub interface is for be gateway for connecting to the InterVLAN. So the InterVLAN, so the because of the gateway we had already well, so we can communicate to other VLAN. So that function for from other InterVLAN. Okay. Oh, we should encapsulation first. Okay, and next we should make sub interface for VLAN 20 and do encapsulation dot one queue for interface VLAN interface sub interface VLAN 20, and don't forget to make IP address for the interface sub interface VLAN 20. Okay, don't forget to enter the subnet mask. Okay, already. Okay, uh, I forget to uh, uh, turn on the interface into to connecting to switch 2, so we have now shut down the interface by Ethernet. Oh, so uh, no shutdown. Okay, and the interface will be turned to green because it is already turned on. Okay, okay. I already done for uh, making the configuration, and okay, don't forget to uh, configure the IP address in uh, the PC, and the default gateway is the IP address from the sub interface from the router. So it will should be 192.168.1.1, and to the other PC configure the IP address and the subnet mask, and don't forget for the default gateway it's the sub interface from the interface VLAN 10, and the other PC in VLAN 20, the IP address should be 177.168.1.2 because 0.1.1 is for default gateway. Okay, we're already done for configure all IP address in the PC. Okay, we want to try. We're going to try ping to other VLAN. Okay, for example, we want to uh, ping into PC in VLAN 20. Okay, okay. For the first thing, uh, usually it will be request timeout because the interface is reading the uh, traffic. So, but in last time it will be successful. Okay, we try again from the VLAN 10 into the VLAN 20. Okay, and the ping is successful. Okay, and we're already done for configuration InterVLAN. Okay, for the next is SVI. Uh, SVI is same like InterVLAN, but we use MLS multi-layer switch for uh, connecting other VLAN to another to each other. to different VLAN. Okay, what is the different from ordinary switch with this switch? Uh, Multi-layer switch is the modern switch from Cisco. So this switch can use two layer from the data link layer and from the network layer. So this switch can be uh, switch and can uh, the switch have function from the router also. So this switch is multifunctional. Okay, so how to configuration SVI like InterVLAN in MLS. So if in InterVLAN we need some router for connecting the each VLAN uh, from VLAN 10 into VLAN 20. We should have a router because the switch cannot uh, connecting the VLAN each VLAN with themselves. The switch you must have additional tools for make uh, them uh, connecting to each other. Okay, but the MLS not uh, no need to router because the MLS is router also. Okay, so we're going to configure the SVI uh, for configuring the MLS just like same like other switch and router. We should to open the configuration mode and then we can configure the configuration in the configuration mode. Okay, the first step is of course we have to make the VLAN. uh, I will use VLAN 100 and VLAN 150. Okay, and then next step is just entering the VLAN, but I will make the VLAN. uh, okay, just entering to the interface like in this VLAN 100 we have two interface fast ethernet 2 and fast ethernet 1. So just enter and switch mode access and configure switch access VLAN 100, and don't forget for the spanning tree for make the configuration more more fast or faster. Okay, well, the next step is entering the uh, entering the others interface. The interface is interface 3 and interface 4. 3 enter 4. Okay, and configure switch mode access and switch access VLAN 150. And don't forget for configuration config span tree port pass. Okay, and we're all ready to configure the SVI, but we still need configure interface. No, a few routine. Okay, uh, okay, we should uh, add the IP address into the in IP configuration and the edge of PC. Okay, I forget to configure the configure the interface VLAN for my the default gateway. Interface VLAN 100. Okay, the IP address and for VLAN, make the IP address for VLAN 150. Set the IP address for the interface VLAN 150. Don't forget to make sure that subnet mask is already configured. Okay, let's exit. Okay, default gateway is 192.168.100.1, and then uh, configure the other IP address 103, and subnet mask already configured. And don't forget the default gateway is 101. Okay, make sure that we can ping to to the same VLAN in MS layer and MLS multi-layer switch, and uh, we should configure IP address in VLAN 150. Okay, and default gateway is 172.168.150 and 1. Okay, make sure that the PC can ping in the same IP, the same VLAN, and okay, you can see that VLAN 100 can ping to different VLAN that is VLAN 150. Okay, we will check in command prompt. We'll try to ping other VLAN, VLAN 100. Okay, 100, 150. Okay, we ping the other VLAN from. Okay, and the ping is already success. The ping is reply from 100 to other PC. Okay, so for configuration, the InterVLAN and SVI is already done, and I think uh, that can I deliver for you simple tutorial for how to configure InterVLAN and switch virtual interface. Uh, be- but both of them is defined on one definition. So the conclusion is for connecting other VLAN from connecting VLAN into other VLAN. Like example, the VLAN 100 can VLAN can connect into VLAN 150 because we configure the interVLAN. Like uh, like usual, the VLAN is cannot connect into other VLAN. The VLAN is just connecting to the same VLAN, but if we configure the MS or the router or the switch, uh, we configure it interVLAN inside the router or the switch. We can make the VLAN can connect to other VLAN like that. Okay, okay. So all of the configuration is done, and I will uh, give the opportunity back to Fatan Karim for close the weekend tech talk. Okay, Fatan, uh, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Father, to give the material for this weekend TikTok. And maybe that's all for me and for everyone in here. And thank you guys for watching this weekend TikTok video. And I think that's all of this session. And the last say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.